Hello, buyers, sellers, renters, friends, family. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that blue bell icon and you won't miss an episode each week. So with that being said, what are we going to talk about today? Buyers, how do you get to that deal? How do you get into that where they accept your offer and we get to that closing table? I know it's tough out there. I know we're in a high velocity marketplace. I know you got to make moves, you got to make fast decisions, and you got to have a game plan to get yourself into that home. It's not like the old days. How do you sweeten the deal for the sellers? You can offer, a rent buyback position as a buyer, or waive the inspection contingency. Still do an inspection, but you're just not going to hold the seller to anything that comes off the inspection list. So, that's waiving the inspection contingency. You could also offer a appraisal gap insurance to them. I mean, where you can build that into the purchase price, because if the property doesn't appraise out, what happens then? So if you offer that appraisal gap coverage, you can do escalation clauses and pay over the highest and best. They say in our business, cash is king, and that's the thing. I have some tools that my mortgage guy provides called the Home Buyer's Advantage Guarantee. And what that basically says is not we're doing a pre-approval, we're doing a loan commitment approval. And there's a big difference. A pre-approval means like they just did a 30-minute check. A home commitment approval means they've gone through the underwriting, they've checked everything, and they will guarantee a close. If they do not close, they will give the seller $5,000 and they will give the buyer $5,000, a $10,000 guarantee. And they can do this because they've gone through the process and they've gone through everything, the gamut beforehand. And I got one other tool for a buyer. And that's, that buyer's advantage thing is probably the closest thing to a cash offer that you can get. So my second tool with that is called a lock and shop tool paired with the buyer's advantage deal. So why would you want to lock in the rate right now? The Fed is going to be talking about rates again in the next week or so. That could mean they could go up, they could go down, we don't know. But most likely they're probably going to go up and keep going up until this thing slows down. And they're slowing it down, but it's not slowing down enough to combat the inflation. And that's how the Fed stops the inflation. So they're going to slow things down. So lock and shop, you'll lock yourself in so that you can shop, and if the rates do rise, you're already locked in. So that's a great thing. So that's another tool. So you've got these tools to get you guys the deal. If you need help buying, I've been successful at getting my clients into getting their offer accepted. We just come up with a game plan. I mean, it's on the buyer, but we come up with a game plan that's doable, that will sweeten the deal, and we talk to the selling agent and find out exactly what the seller wants out of the deal, and we paint that picture to that seller as best as possible so that our offer gets accepted. So Thanks again for watching. Appreciate you. And if I can help in any way, please reach out to me. There's my number. And you have a great day. And I have an open house this Saturday, 10 to 1 in Libertyville, 4655 Solano Drive. Come check it out. I'd love to see you. Thanks for watching.